Welcome to Brainstorm Bunch! Ever wondered how those massive storms that light up the sky and shake the ground with thunder are created? Storms are both fascinating and a little scary. Today, we'll uncover the mystery of how storms are born and what makes them so powerful. Ready to dive into the world of nature's wild weather machines? Let's go! The recipe for a storm. Every storm starts with the sun. When the sun heats up the Earth's surface, water from oceans, rivers, and even plants turns into vapor. This process is called evaporation. Warm air rises, carrying this moisture into the sky. But what happens when it gets up there? It cools down and forms clouds, and that's the first ingredient for a storm. The clash of air masses. Here's where the magic, or the chaos, happens. Storms often form when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air. Think of it like two teams battling for control. When these air masses collide, the warm air gets pushed upward, creating strong currents. This movement causes the clouds to grow taller and thicker. These are called cumulonimbus clouds, the kind that make storms. Thunder and lightning, the storm's fireworks. Ever noticed how storms come with dazzling lightning and booming thunder? Inside those massive clouds, tiny ice particles collide, creating electric charges. When the charge difference between the cloud and the ground becomes too strong, zap! Lightning strikes. And the thunder? That's just the sound of superheated air expanding faster than the speed of sound. Rain, hail, and wind, the storm's fury. As the storm develops, all the moisture in those towering clouds becomes too heavy to stay up there. That's when it falls as rain, or sometimes hail if the air is freezing enough. Strong winds form because of the differences in air pressure. The faster the air pressure changes, the stronger the wind. Extreme storms, tornadoes and hurricanes. Sometimes, storms take it up a notch. Tornadoes form when spinning air currents stretch down from the storm clouds to the ground. Hurricanes, on the other hand, are massive storms that form over warm ocean waters, fueled by moisture and heat. They're like the giants of the storm world. Storms may seem frightening, but they're also a reminder of how powerful and awe-inspiring nature can be. And remember, after every storm, there's often a rainbow, a sign of calm after the chaos. So the next time you see storm clouds forming, you'll know exactly what's going on up there. Thanks for joining me on this stormy journey today. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations into our planet's history. Thank you for watching.